Hello everyone, once again we are going to be fixing a Samsung Galaxy S3 power button. If you have a problem where your phone automatic shuts off, automatic restarts, most likely a power button need to be replaced. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do it an easy way, yet you still need some technical soldering skills. So first you're gonna open the back cover, then motherboard, once everything is open, carefully remove the wires, flex cables and the motherboard. Okay, so now we're gonna set up the motherboard and remove the power button. You will need the heat gun, or if you prefer the soldering gun, that works fine too, as long as you know what you're doing. In my case I'll be using heat gun, as you know on my previous videos I do use heat guns most often. Okay, so heat gun will be somewhere about 750 Celsius temperature, or it could be 950, which depends how quick can you do it. In my case I would set it up to 750. Make sure you do not heat our motherboard except the power button, or you may damage other particles of the motherboard. Within the few seconds it should come out real quick. Make sure not to snatch the power button. If you see it's loose, then carefully just gently lift up. I'm gonna do some little bit cleanup because we can put the new buttons on it. Now when I'm gonna be putting the new buttons, I'll not be using the heat gun. I know some of you may like to use a heat gun as a quick result. For myself, I use a soldering iron, which makes it a neat and clear job. So it depends, both works fine, heat gun or the soldering iron, both works fine, whichever you prefer to work with. First, you're gonna put the button on the place and to see if it fits. Once again, this is Samsung Galaxy S3 i9300 i747 747M t999V. This is this cover probably any model of Samsung Galaxy S3 around the world, so it doesn't matter what model number do you have, the buttons size will be the same nonetheless. So you can follow this video. Okay, so with the soldering iron, I'm trying to put the button back. Obviously going to use a soldering gun, soldering flux. It's not too hard if you do it real carefully. Once again, I think I didn't tell you guys, if you need a part, if you need the same part, it's available. A link in the descriptions. As you can see, is www.wolfiron.com. We do sell a part wholesale price. We do sell part for the retailers. We do sell part for the repair shops. So excuse me, if you are one of those repair shop guys or the retailers, please feel free to contact us. We do have price lists on the websites. So both sides, a little bit of flux, and booyah, it's done. It's that easy if you know what you're doing, and we are good. Once again, thank you very much for watching my videos, and those who subscribe to me, I appreciate it. You don't really have to subscribe if you don't want to, but if you do, I appreciate your time for watching my videos, and we'll bring you some more videos for more cool tricks. Thank you very much.